Welcome to DynaMaker Features. Layout Crop. Did you know that you can crop your layouts in DynaMaker? Imagine you want to highlight a certain area of your model, like the section of the middle post here. Cropping a layout could simplify your work in drawings by simply reusing an area of the top view, instead of redoing it sketch by sketch. In order to use this feature, start by identifying the layout you want to crop. Here, we choose the top view of our spiral stairs so that the cropped layout ends up in this empty area. First off, we start by making a clone of the top view layout so we don't alter it. Then, by typing layout.crop, we can see that the function takes some rectangular bounds as input. Of course, we could make these based on the diameter of the middle post, but fixed values are used here for simplicity. We can clean the cropped layout by removing the dimensions or any other text that comes with the original layout. Then we make it 3 times bigger by changing the scale and add it to the top view layout. To make sure the resulting layout fills the desired empty space, we make the corresponding bounds a bit bigger. Finally, we can add some extra details, like the actual bounds as a sketch. For this, we can use skycad.generateSketch from bounds and add it to the same layout. Then some dimensions or any other details could be added to the cropped layout, making the drawing more complete with a nicer look. Do you want to know more? Check out our documentation at docs.dynamaker.com.